How to fix and solve too many operations on Litmatch app. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have an updated version of the Litmatch app on your device. So just go to the Play Store application and search for the app. So as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm going to go back and then tap on the Litmatch app itself. Then tap on app info. After that, tap on clear all data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on OK. Then tap on app permission and make sure that you've toggled on all the options that are required for the application, such as files and media, your camera, your location, microphone, and your phone. After that, just go back and your issue will be solved. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.